Hey there! Today I'll be showing you how to crochet these really cute hanging baskets. So grab your stuff and let's get started. There's a full list of supplies with links in the description below. There's also a link to the free pattern for the small basket and a PDF pattern which includes 3 more sizes. We'll start with a magic circle. If you're not a fan of magic circles, you can also chain 3 and slip stitch the ends together. For row 1, we're going to half double crochet 5 into the magic circle. Close that circle up. Chain 1 and turn. For row 2, we're going to increase 5 times. So that means that we'll put 2 half double crochets in each stitch across for a total of 10 half double crochets. To finish up, we'll chain 1 and turn. For row 3, we'll half double crochet in the first stitch and increase in the second stitch, and we'll repeat that for a total of 5 times and a total of 15 half double crochet. Chain 1 and turn. Row 4, we'll half double crochet in the first 2 stitches and increase in the next stitch. Repeat that 5 times for a total of 20 half double crochet. Chain 1 and turn. For row 5, we'll half double crochet in the first 3 stitches and then increase for a total of 5 times and 25 half double crochet stitches. Chain 1 and turn. For row 6, we'll half double crochet in the first 4 stitches, then increase for a total of 5 times and 30 half double crochet stitches. Chain 1, but this time we're going to turn our work right side up and work across the top. We're going to work into the end of each row by doing a single crochet 1, chain 3, and single crochet 1 back into the same space as the first one. This is called a picot stitch. We're going to do this into the end of each row across, so there should be a total of 12 picot stitches. Now that we've completed the pocket to the hanging basket, we're going to go ahead and tie off and weave in our ends, and then we'll move on to the back panel of the basket. For this part, we'll start with a magic circle again. But this time we're going to half double crochet 10 times into the circle because we're completing a full circle, not just a half circle this time. Close up your circle and slip stitch to the first half double crochet to join. Round 2, we'll start with a chain 1, and we're going to increase in every stitch around for a total of 20 half double crochets. Slip stitch to the first half double crochet to finish up. Round 3, we'll start with a chain 1, half double crochet in the first stitch, and increase in the next stitch. We're going to do that 10 times for a total of 30 half double crochets. Slip stitch to the first half double crochet to finish up. Row 4, chain 1, half double crochet in the first 2 stitches, and increase. Repeat that combo 10 times for a total of 40 half double crochets. Slip stitch to first half double crochet to close. Row 5, chain 1, half double crochet in the first 3 stitches and increase. Repeat that combo 10 times for a total of 50 half double crochets. Slip stitch to first half double crochet to close. Round 6, chain 1, half double crochet in the first 4 stitches and increase. Repeat that combo 10 times for a total of 60 half double crochets. Slip stitch to your first half double crochet to join. And now for round 7, we're going to join our pocket and our back panel together. So we're going to line it up like this, and we're going to single crochet through each stitch of both panels. So be sure not to miss that first one where your picot stitch starts. We're not actually going into the border at all, but there is a stitch there. And we're going to match up those stitches. There should be a total of 30 single crochets. Once you're done joining the pocket and the back panel together, you're going to single crochet into the back panel only 15 times. Now we're going to create a loop for the basket to hang on. So for this, we'll single crochet 1, chain 10, and single crochet 1 in the same space. Then we'll finish up this round with 14 single crochet. Slip stitch to the first single crochet to join. Now we're going to add our hoop. For round 8, place the hoop on top, pull your hook through so that your working yarn is through the hoop, just like this. And we're going to chain 1 around the hoop to join. Chain 1 once more, skip the next stitch, and single crochet in the next stitch around the hoop. We're going to repeat that combo 30 times. Single crochet 1, chain 1, skip 1. Keep in mind that this last round will be pretty tight. That's totally normal. It's supposed to be stretched out. To close, slip stitch to the first chain 1. And now all we need to do is tie off and weave in our ends. And we're done. Way to go, you did it. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to check out that PDF pattern for 3 more sizes. Until next time, happy crocheting!